What is an atom? An atom is the smallest unit of matter that retains the properties of an element. Everything around us, air, water, humans, and objects is made up of atoms. In simple words, atom equals building block of matter. Structure of an atom. An atom has two main parts. 1. Nucleus center, located at the center of the atom, contains protons plus charge, neutrons no charge. Almost all the mass of the atom is here. 2. Electron cloud outer region. Electrons move around the nucleus in shells or energy levels. Electrons have negative charge. Important concept. Opposite charges attract, electrons stay around the nucleus. Example of atom. 1. Hydrogen atom H. Simplest atom. Contains 1 proton, 0 neutron, 1 electron. This is why hydrogen is the lightest element. Key points to remember. Atom is the smallest unit of an element. It has a central nucleus plus electrons around it. Number of protons equals element identity. Atoms combine to form molecules and compounds.